No, that's how we say welcome in Igbo language. Are you finding it difficult to learn Igbo language? Worry no more, because we have discovered 6 secrets that will help you out of that challenge right away. Please, I encourage you to watch this video to the very end, because the last secret is about the most important one. Let's do this together. I am the Igbo tutor, Onye Nkuzi Igbo. Secret number 1. Number 1 secret is lay a solid foundation. By this we mean master the Igbo alphabet. Many of us claim we are learning Igbo language, but we pay personal attention to Igbo alphabet. In fact, we may have watched 1 or 2 videos on Igbo alphabet and we think, oh, we are doing well. We jump to Igbo words, Igbo phrases, and this and that. But right now, if I ask you 2 questions and you can't answer it positively, then you are ill-prepared to learn Igbo language. The question is this. Number 1, can you write the Igbo alphabet from A to Z without missing anyone? Offhand, without holding anything? Question number 2, can you read the Igbo alphabet from A to Z with the right sounds without missing anyone as we speak now? If you cannot do these 2, you are ill-prepared for Igbo language mastery. You need to start over again. Good enough. We have this video here that can help you out. The link to this video is in the description box. Please go right there, click on it, and watch this video. We simplified Igbo language alphabet here. Secret number 2, get a lesson note and write. Get a lesson note and write. I can't overemphasize this. It is said that out of sight is out of mind. So you have to write. If the only thing you do is to hop onto YouTube channel and then look at Igbo lesson videos and watch them every now and then, and you go off without writing, you are merely entertaining yourself because you are not helping yourself to learn faster. You need to really write. Chinese proverb says, the faintest pencil is better and sharper than the sharpest memory. That emphasizes the importance of writing. Writing is very important. In fact, in this case, I will give you 3 important advantages of writing as you learn, as you watch Igbo lesson videos. Number 1, it helps your comprehension. It helps your comprehension and understanding. That act of listening and writing helps you to learn faster, because you can't write without understanding what you are writing. So you will make effort to understand what you want to write before writing it. That helps your comprehension and helps you to know even far better. Number 2 advantage is that it helps you in revision. A time will come where you need to go over what you have learned earlier on, to revise them and to refresh your memory. If you don't have any lesson note, how will you achieve that? You will not be able to do that. Number 3 advantage is that it serves as a backup in case you forget anything. You may have gone outside to try what you have learned, to speak to somebody, and you miss out 1 or 2 things. Maybe they jeered at you and laughed at you, and you are ashamed. You don't want to go again and try. You can fall back to your lesson note and get corrections and move on again to the next stage. Secret number 3, set daily Igbo word or phrases targets. You are as good as your vocabulary bank. The vocabulary bank is the number of words in Igbo, number of phrases, number of sentences you can store your memory. This goes a long way to help you out. To speak a language simply means to express what is in your mind using words. So if you don't have enough words, enough vocabulary in your brain, in your mind, you won't be able to express yourself at the appropriate time. So building a rich vocabulary is the way out. You can set daily, weekly, or monthly word or phrases target, as the case may be. With these words in your mind stored, you can easily, in fact, you'll be surprised at the way the thing will flow out of you when the occasion calls for it, and you just express yourself without any problem. This will save you the embarrassment of trying to begin speaking and you're not able to finish. Sometimes you say, Geneka, I don't remember again. And then you are embarrassed. You won't be able to try again because people will laugh and jeer at you. So to help you on this, we have covered about 500 Igbo words and their English meanings in this particular video. The links to those videos are in the description box of this video. Check them out and they will help you a long way. Secret number 4. Get a practice partner. Get a practice partner. By this we mean someone you can always, speak with and try to, practice what you have learned over time. It is said that practice is the only sure route to perfection. If you don't practice what you learn on a daily basis, how can you be perfect? There is a popular saying that what you don't use, you lose. There's no two ways about it. It's a warning. If you don't use what you have, you are going to lose them. So if there's any language right now in the whole world that is under the threat of extinction, it is Igbo language. This is because parents of Igbo extraction and descent have refused to play their role as practice partners to their children, to their words, to their relations. In fact, they prefer to speak in other languages even while they are at home. You must make conscious efforts to practice what you learn each day with your parents, with your children, with your neighbors, with your siblings, with everybody around you, with your friends in the place of work. Practice and practice. That is the only way you can make them stick in your brain. There's no other way to do it. In case you have no one around you even now to use as a practice partner, we offer one-on-one teaching and speaking practice to our students. In fact, one of our students surprised me recently with her performance. She is from US. She is doing marvelously well. And in her last practice session, she surprised me with the level of her improvement in Igbo language. So if you need our help on this, please indicate in the comment section of this video. We will come out and help you as much as we can. Secret number 5, be consistent. I can't say this too much. Be consistent. Success without discipline is a mirage. So you have to be consistent in your learning. Don't just jump in and jump off Igbo lesson videos and think you're going to learn Igbo that way. Watching Igbo lesson videos on YouTube occasionally might not actually take you too far. So if you are serious about learning Igbo language or any other language for that matter, you must set days and time aside when you have to really sit down and learn and be disciplined to follow it. You have to say to yourself and even to your friends some time, guys, I got Igbo lesson to attend. Give me a break, and you walk away. That is the only way you can do this. The danger of not being consistent is that you are likely to forget even the few ones you have learned. The one you learned yesterday, the one you learned last week or last month. If you don't continue to build on it, you will forget them. A house can never be built by adding one block today and removing it tomorrow. If you do that, you can never complete the building. The same with Igbo language, or any language for that matter, any other language. You have to consistently build on what you know or what you have done yesterday to be able to make progress and improve over time. Having an online teacher can help you with some kind of mind pressure, by giving you homework and lesson reminders and things like that. So if you can't help yourself, get a teacher around you. We do that also for people. We put some pressure on them by giving them homework and lesson reminders, and then with that, they are under, a little bit pressure that we make it compulsory for them to learn each day. So you can join us today if you don't mind. Before we talk about the 6th and the most important secret, I need to inform you that we have great and wonderful videos lined up for upload to this YouTube channel. So you do well to subscribe right now and then hit that notification bell. That way you will not miss out on any of the uploads. Also like, comment and share this video to give it a wider coverage and help others who are in need. Thank you for doing that. Let's move on now. Now we go to secret number 6. Measure your progress. Are you better today than you were yesterday? That is the question that should be on your lips. Are you better today than you were yesterday? You must measure your progress. Otherwise, you cannot really make any progress without measurement. So if you have set daily, weekly, or monthly, or yearly target, then you must evaluate your progress from time to time to know actually if you are meeting what you have set out to meet as a person. You can simply do this by asking yourself a few questions that will help you. These are just suggestions. You can just create your own questions. Question number 1, have I learned any new word or phrase today? You can use this, or you can craft your own. Number 2, can I remember what I learned yesterday? Even now, as I'm beginning to learn another one. Can I remember the one I learned yesterday? Can I refresh my mind and still be able to, bring up what I've learned yesterday? Because if you don't remember the one you learned yesterday, to build on it today, you are not going anywhere. Number 3, to what extent have I been able to say or express what is in my mind, even as I move on? Because that is the essence of language, to express what is in your mind in words. So if you can always measure that, I have this in my mind, I'm thinking of this, to what extent can I express that now in Igbo language or any other language for that matter? That is the third question. Then the fourth question is, have I been able to understand what these people are saying in Igbo language? My mom, my neighbors, and whoever is around me, can I understand what they are saying now? To what extent can I understand what they are saying right now? The next question is, if I go on like this, can I be able to speak this language, Igbo for this particular matter, in 1 month time, in 1 year time, or in 2 years time? If I go on like this, will I be able to speak this language in future? And finally, what more can I do to actually learn faster or get better? These are the few questions we've just put together for you. You can craft your own questions. It doesn't mean that you must follow all we've just said. They are just suggestions for you. If you can put these 6 principles into practice, we guarantee that you are going to master Igbo language soonest. Do that from today. God bless you. See you in the next video. On the screen are a few videos we've selected for your special benefit. We know you will enjoy them so much, and they will help you in your journey to Igbo language mastery. So click on any of them now, watch, and thank us later. See you in the next video. Dalo.